again to another episode of Ask Me and They Will Portray, where we don't just answer your questions, but we also try to create visuals for you. And for today's question, what is an inquiry? Well, inquiry involves systematic and disciplined ordering of experience that lead to the development of understanding and knowledge. Inquiry is what the scholars usually do to find out. Inquiry does not only involve single process, but rather there are many modes or methods that are employed. In each of these methods have an expected outcome, but an investigator can never be sure of what the outcome would be, and he can only do one thing, that is to anticipate for the general and natural form of the results. Watch this.
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Nandito tayo ngayon sa New Year University upang magbigay ng pahayag si Mr. Agra sa pagkapanalo ni Mr. Manny Pacquiao Pacman. Mr. Agra, ano masasabi mo sa pagkapanalo ni Mr. Manny Pacquiao?
Siyempre masaya, idol ko yun. At saka isa pa, Pilipino tayo.
Anong sa tingin mo ang sikreto niya? Bakit lagi siya nananalo at sunod-sunod ang kanyang pagkapanalo?
May tatlo. Una, sa kinakain. Pangalawa, sa exercise. Pangatlo, alaksan.
Ano masasabi mo sa kanya kung sakali na makikita mo siya in person?
In person. Siyempre, gusto ko sana mag-picture sa idol ko. At saka gusto ko mag-patrain. Gusto ko kasi maging boxing king eh.
May mga huling mensahe ka ba sa kanya na maaari mo i-share or gusto mong mangyari ang mga wish?
I just want to congratulate Manny Pacquiao for being Pac-Man and being a true hero of the Philippines, and congratulations!
Maraming salamat para sa Common and Showbiz Balita. Ako po si Milagros Sabelianos nag-uulat.
That is one example of inquiry. Okay? So do you know that inquiry involves 3 stages? Yes, it involves 3 stages. First one, asking questions. Well, inquiry is no more than asking interesting and significant questions. What are these questions or types of questions that may be asked? First one, the definition call. The second one is the fact questions about relations and properties. And the last one would be the probe value or the value probe of the observed. This is one example.
Hindi ba kayo nagtataka kung bakit bumabango ang isang pabango?
Kaya nga, bakit nga ba talagang mabango yan?
Katulad nito. Diba? Ito pa, meron pa isa dito. Ano kaya ang properties meron ang mga pabango? Saka ano kaya mga chemicals nila na ginagamit dito para mabuo ang isang pabango? Iba-iba rin yung amoy, iba-iba yung parang minsan may mainit sa katawan, may malamig. Hindi mo ba nararamdaman yun eh?
Yun nga, ipakiramdam ko talagang mabango talaga.
Eh, ikaw, may mahal, may mura,
Yan ang parang nakakabago ng araw eh.
pero lahat naman sila mabango, di ba?
Oo.
Okay, and that was all about asking questions. Now we're down to the second stage, which is observation. Well, in this stage, scholars experience the object of inquiry. Now, how do they observe? Well, others observe by examining records and artifacts. Some by self-involvement, and others by using instruments or controlled experiments. While some only depends on taking testimony. Whichever of these methods employed may include this scenario.
Pagkatapos ng mga kapag-usapan natin ni Risa, meron akong research na mga chemicals kung paano nabubuo ang isang babango. Katulad na ethyl alcohol. Siyempre, yung fragrance.
Now you know what observation is. Okay? Now we have stage, which is constructing answers. In this stage, scholars try to define, describe, and explain. This stage actually requires deep analyzations and judgments, just what these scientists did.
So, Lisa, pagkatapos ng mahaba-habang tanungan, at medyo research ng content, pag-evaluate at pag-test ng mga chemicals kung paano ginagawa ang isang pabango, ngayon ay nakapag-count na tayo ng isang pabango. Cologne, ayan. At ang properties pala nito, ulitin natin, ay ethyl alcohol, water, at fragrance. At ginagamit kung bakit nag-iba-iba ang amoy ng isang pabango. Kaya ngayon meron na tayong finished product. At ito ay tinatawag namin Glam Glam. Dahil kami ay Glam Rosia.
And now you know what inquiry is and its 3 stages. Well, some people often think that inquiry is a linear process occurring one step at a time. But actually, inquiry does not proceed in this fashion. Why? Because inquiry has methods and each method affects and is affected by the others. Now, observation may stimulate new questions, but theories are challenged by both questions and observations. This is once again yours truly, Roan, and I'll see you once again for another episode of Ask Me and They Will Portray. Bye-bye!